How can a man attract a woman without saying a word?
So one that he's never met or met.
Either.
So for someone that maybe he is in a work environment with or goes to school with, it could be fairly easily done because you're in proximity, right? But if you've never talked to or met this woman, if she's never around you, obviously it's going to be really challenging. And then you just have, old school letters and things like that. But if it's someone that you're interested in and you want to get them to talk to you and you're in their environment, again, making eye contact and letting them see, hey, like, I'm interested, right? And then doing it at least the 3 times. And then walking up to them slowly. And I know there's that element of mystery and danger that always helps to build the tension. So, like any situation that you can create some sense of mystery or some sense of obstacle. This is actually based on what we call the passion trifecta to keep sexual chemistry alive through a long-term relationship. Is there's got to be some sort of obstacle. It's like one of the biggest turn-ons. So if there's some way that you can create the element of obstacle with making contact with this person without saying a word, then that might get her to talk to you because there's going to be that tension. So yeah, I can't think of any ways off the top of my head, but
maybe like a paper airplane note or something.
Yeah, there you go.